Quick one on sustainability and hydration. Now, as I'm sure many of you know, Royal Parks Half is committed to becoming the most environmentally friendly, the most sustainable half marathon in the world. And this year we've taken bigger and bolder steps to prioritise the environment. Now, because it's looking a little warmer today than we might expect in October, we've made slight changes to our original hydration offering on course. So we're still encouraging you guys to be self-sufficient when you're out on the course, but because it might be slightly warmer, we are adding a provision of cups. The health and safety of you guys, our runners, is the utmost priority. So do look after yourselves on the course. Make sure you keep yourselves hydrated. All of our caterers have been asked to use fair trade coffee to eliminate any foods with any kind of palm oil and use locally sourced foods as well. Also, every runner receives their race shirt at the finish line, which eliminates 87 kilograms of plastic used to wrap each shirt individually. Quick one on the Royal Parks Half app.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have an awesome run.
And looks like you've got your running gear on there. Are you you're running today as well, John?
Damn right.
I see you've got Leo here. Is Leo's going to? I see you've got your running kit on, Leo. You going to? Yeah, Leo's going to be out there. If anyone sees Leo overtaking them, try harder. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. So thank you very much to you, John. I think you're going to be starting our wave as well. So I'm going to give you this fantastic race horn. And when the time comes, it'll be clear. Just press down on that button at the top, just push down, and you'll make the noise and you'll start the guys off. I'm now going to hand you over to our race starter, Matt. He's going to very slowly walk you towards the start line. But of course, our race will not begin until you cross the start line. So there is absolutely no need to push, to jostle to get to the front. Your time will not begin, your chip will not be activated until you cross that timing mat. So we're now slowly moving you towards the start line. Being here, we're going to send you on your way in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this! Oh, you know. Yes, John. Thank you so much, John. Right, John, are you jumping in this way? Amazing. I'll take that off you. Run well, John. Thank you very much. Happy Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. Oh, what is wrong with you today? Leo, you going to stick with me? Leo's here. Okay, right. Who we got? Runners for amazing charities. Laura, run well. Nikki, love your stuff. Who else we got? Jeremy. We got Street Child runner here today. I think that was Josie. John, yes, John, run well. Happy Thanksgiving. Go on, Lucy. You got this. There we go. We got Tina's running. Who else we got? Pete, Phil, Melissa. High fives for free as we go. Power ups. Yes, Phil. Off you go. Run well. We got British Heart Foundation running here. Who else we got? Oleg, run well. Royal Parks Half runners. Well. Yes, I see you. If I don't give you a shout out, just know that I love you all. Yes, Alistair. Yes, Nikki and Sarah. Go on, Freya. Running online. Runners and Smash here. Six Children Trust. We've got Julia running to help the rhinos. Calm, campaigning individually. What a charity they are. We got, yes, run well, Joe. NSPCC in the house. Yes, run well, Marco. I think that's you. All Mind runners. We've got Eleanor running in the house. We've got Alex, MNDA. I don't know your name, but run well. British Heart Foundation, Emily, yes. Run well, guys. Who else we got? Run well. Molly, running for Medcap. Ian, run well. More Mind runners. We've got Headway runners here. Yes, sir, I see you. Yes.
You say love is just a
Brilliant. So we've got the Hyde Park Corner there. Yeah. Are you looking for a specific point? 5. Yeah. So I think should
It'll be all mixed together by now.
Well done to you, sir. Well done to you, Olivia. Move your way to the right-hand side as you're cruising in the end of this Royal Park Half Marathon 2021.
Okay, let's give it up to our amazing patients coming through here, keeping you guys on track for the times that you want.
He knows what he's achieved. 906 strong, finishing strong. 568, this is
Business. Don't forget as well that we've got something for you. We've got Hannah Water. So do make sure you keep hydrated. Yeah!
confident for you, but it is my first Italian we've seen today. So you about.
I'm loving the
Well done, sir. 2862, congrats to you. 2117 792, we see you.
Go, 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 go.
Look at these boys finishing arm in arm. Let's hope they know each other.
Hand in hand as well. We've got hands in hand. Yay! Oh, hands in the air, Carlos.
Big shout out to all of you guys who've come down to watch. It makes a big difference to the runners. I can say that from experience, so thank you for coming down, supporting everyone down here at the finish line.
And if you do want to